Welcome to our YouTube channel Abid Financials, and today we are going to discuss for the 5 central city parking transaction with the following details. Description: parking account 449. These are the transactions central city parking, and we shall add them with following detail. Description is parking, and account is motor vehicle expense, and the tax on expense is 20%, and the region is central. And we shall add them. Central city parking, and now central city parking, motor vehicle, central 20 expense 2, and these are 3, and these are 4 and 5. These are total 5 transactions we have done. 5 transactions. Okay, it's done.